that come from pop, baby. Oh yeah. This dynamic five-member ensemble was formed in 2021. 2021. Yeah, and they have captivated audiences with their vibrant performances and a versatile sound.
Tăng